Good morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again on another day, another set of examples in engineering mathematics. So, plain geometry pa rin tayo, no? Circles and other miscellaneous figures. So, let's solve this next problem. Problem number 9 na to, I think. So, lumabas na to ng CE May 2002, pero parang common na lumalabas dito. Parang nung board exam ko last May 2022, lumabas yata itong ganitong kind of problem. So, tara, read the problem. A piece of wire having a total length of 72 cm was cut into two unequal segments and bent to form two unequal squares. If the total area of the squares is 180 square centimeters, what is the difference in the lengths of two segments? Sige. So, hindi siya kasama sa circle, pero ang topic naman natin, circles and other miscellaneous figures. So, okay. So, first things first, let's draw the segment. Yeah. Let's say this is the segment. Yan. And then, nasabi, total length yan, 72 cm. So, kinat siya in two unequal segments. So, let's say, dito siya kinat. Yan. Dito yung cut. So, let's say ito sa X. So, siyempre, since 72 yung total length, ito, 72 minus X na lang natin. And then, itong two segments na to, ginawang square. So, let's say ito, nagkaroon ka ng square dito. Yan. So, let's say may square ka dyan. Yan, mas maliit. Dito, medyo mas malaki siya. Yan, ganyan. So, ang total perimeter dapat nung ay X. So, ito, magiging X over 4 yung side nito. Kasi dinibag mo sa 4 eh. So, same thing here. 72 minus X over 4. Then, since square naman yan, congruent ang lahat ng side. Equal ang lahat ng sides. Okay? So, yan na yung Ang binigay pa sa atin, total area is 1 to 80 square centimeter. So, ano bang area ng square? Di ba ang area ng square is just S squared. So, sabihin na lang natin ito area 1, ito area 2. So, tara, mag-solve na tayo. So, dito na lang, area 1 plus area 2 is equal to 180. Ang hinahanap pala dito is difference ng length ng two segments. So, let's find the length of the segments, then i-minus lang natin. So, area 1 plus area 2 is 180. Yung area 1, ano ba yung area 1? So, X over 4 square plus area 2 is 72 minus X all over 4 square is equal to 180. So, dyan pa lang, pwede mo nang i-shift solve, pero mas better na expand mo siya kasi magiging quadratic equation siya. Then, kapag quadratic equation, meron kang two equations, two unknowns. Pero for the sake of, pwede na natin i-recta yan sa calculator. Pero ang payo ko sa inyo guys, expand muna para sa akin kasi magiging quadratic siya eh. So, magkakaroon ka ng dalawang values of X. So, meron ka ng dalawang values pala. Lalabas din. 24 and 48. So, X is 24 and 48. Actually, ito, yan na yung mismong sagot mo eh. Pag minus mo lang yan, yun ay difference nung kasi, kung, if X1 is 24, bali yung 72 minus X is 48. So, vice versa yan. Kung X1 mo is 48, so yung X2 mo is, tapos yung magiging is 72 minus X is 24. So, 24 and 48. So, yung difference is just 48 minus 24. So, 24 centimeter yung sagot natin. So, that's your final answer. So, it is letter A, 24 centimeter. So, that's how you solve this kind of problem. Okay. So, next problem tayo. Ito. So, one of the most common problem din na lumalabas sa board exam, kahit nung latest yata April 2024 lumabas to. So, the distance between the center of three circles which are mutually tangent to each other externally are 10, 12, and 14. The area of the largest circle is... So, paano ba natin sinusolve yung gantong problem? So, first things first, let's draw three circles. Sabi natin blue. Tapos meron kang black. So, let's say ganyan na lang siya nun dyan. Which is a mutually tangent, dapat dikit siya guys ha. Yan. Tapos, isa pa. In the stroke red. The bigger one. Dikitin lang natin. So, yan. Meron kang three circle na dikit-dikit sa isa't isa. So, between the center daw is 10, 12, and 14. So, let's say, ito yung center niya, ito yung center niya, ito yung center niya. Tapos, may mga distances. Ayan, wala lang. Yan. May nabuo kang triangle na ganyan. So, let's say, itong circle 1 or circle A, circle B, circle C. Tapos ito, let's sabihin na lang natin ito, A, ito, B, so ito B pa rin, tapos ito C pa din, ito A. Okay, parang ganyan. So, lumalabas niyan, yan yung radius ng circle, tapos sabi, are 10, 12, and 14. So, pwede natin sabihin na A plus B is equal to 14. So, ito yung 14. Yan. Tapos, ito yung 10. Tapos, ito ay yung 12. So, A plus B is equal to 14. A plus C is equal to 10. Then, B plus C is equal to 12. So, kailangan lang natin malaman kung ano yung values ng A, B, and C. So, dito pala, pwede na natin itong kalikuhin eh. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. So, hanapin lang natin. 3 unknowns. Okay. So, A plus B is 1. 1. So, B is 1. 0. Tapos, ito ay 14. Next is 1. Ito ay 0. Ang C mo ay 1. 1. Kasi ito ay 10. Next mo ay 0, 1, 1, and then 12. Solve. So, meron tayong value na A is equal to 6. B is equal to 8. C is equal to 4. So, yun ay ganun lang siya kadali, guys. Mabilis lang siya pag-shift solve. Ito lang naman ang kailangan nyo dyan, eh. Maintindihan nyo kung paano naging ganito. Tapos kapag nakuha nyo na yan, pwede na kayo mag-shift solve. Pag nagbuo nyo na itong mga equation na to, shift solve na lang. So, yan yung values natin ng A, B, and C. Ang tanong sa atin, area ng largest circle. So, matik itong B is equal to 8, yun yung radius ng big circle, no? So, largest circle is pi 8 squared. So, 64 pi. So, yan ang sagot natin, guys. So, that's how you solve this kind of problem. Pero kung gusto nyo magpakabayani, pwede nyo substitution to, itong tatlo, pwede substitution or elimination, kayo bahala, marami naman tayong methods in algebra na pwede nyo paggamitan. Pero since board exam yan, then maximize nyo yung paggamit nyo ng calculator. So yan na yung sagot natin. So, letter C. Okay? So, meron pa tayong couple of problems. 1, 2, 3. Last 3 problems in circles and other miscellaneous figures, no? So, then after nyan, tapos na tayo sa topic sa plane geometry, we can now proceed to solid geometry. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, keep watching, happy learning, and Padayon Engineers.